Alright guys, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you exactly what you need to do if your door or hinges sound something like this. So first, let me close out this door. You hear that? So pretty much these hinges are squeaking, okay? So this spray I have here called a white grease, it's good for hinges. I've been using this for years on all the cars. All you do is you take some of this and you spray it right there. Same thing on this pit stop here, and same thing on the top hinge right there. It is gonna take a little while for this thing to get into work, so give it a little bit of time. Close, open, it's gone already. All right, there you go. Simple little 2 minutes. You could do this with the hinges on all the doors. You see on the back ones, you can see them pretty well from here, but I don't want to spray these down because a lot of people, this is just a little courtesy here, because some people, they don't like grease on their cars, and that's a hidden little hinge. You're never gonna see that guy. All right, even WD-40 will work there, but this is a great idea right here. No more squeak. You can put this in all 4 of your doors, even if you have the trunk latch, the hood. You can use it on the house hinges as well. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and we'll see you on the next one.